Need to download any of my videos. Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because I finally got the chance to play around with the brand, the spankin', hold on, the new Huda Nude palette. Wow, woo, so excited. Mwah. So the brand new Huda Nude palette came in this whole little kit right here. So cute, 3 brushes, the nude palette, and there's a robe and this like thing that goes over your face. Hold on, let me get it. So I don't really know how this works. Hold on. It's just like this thing, you know, this like thing. Thank you guys for all of your support and all of your love. I truly, truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Without further ado, we're gonna jump into this video. We're gonna start off with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette swatches, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I got this very pink look. And that's that. That's it. Yay. So keep on watching if you wanna see how I got it. Okay, keep watching. Alright guys, here is the new Nude palette. It is full of really peachy pinks, and purples. I'm going to be starting off with the eyes. My brows are already done and my eyes are primed. I'm using just like a light peachy color, matte peachy color in the crease of the eye. And then I'm going to create a spotlight eye or a halo eye. So I'm just going to blend a darker matte color to the inner and outer corners and then use a blending brush to really blend everything out. I then took some of my Tarte Shape Tape to cut a crease in the center of my eye, and then I just jumped into a ton of the shades from the palette. I went from darkest to lightest, and I really wanted to use the shimmery colors. I used those on the inner and outer corners, and then the lightest shade on the center of the lid. I'm using Buxom's Big T's mascara, and then I'm popping on my favorite lashes, which are the Samantha lashes from Huda. I'm using this So Fine liner from Tarte just to make sure that band is nice and hidden and we don't know we're wearing some falsies. And for our face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Illuminating Primer, and then I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. By the way, sorry if my lighting gets a little weird in here. The black background just really tests my abilities here. For foundation, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Matte CC Cream. I'm mixing 2 of the shades together. I used, I believe, light, and I mixed light with neutral medium. And I'm just going to blend that all over my face. And we're going to move on to some more Tarte Shape Tape to conceal underneath my eyes and highlight all of the other areas of my face. And as always, we're going to blend that baby out. Once everything's blended, I'm using my favorite powder, which is the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, to set everything. And then I like to buff it all out with a just big fluffy brush. This one is from MODA. By the way, you guys, if you didn't already know, you can use my code Julia, Julia, to get 10% off at MODA Brushes website, or Royal & Langnickel brushes. I use their brushes all the time. I love them so much. I'm using another one right here and another one right here to put on my bronzer and my highlighter. So make sure to use that at your checkout. Okay, enough with the, you know, sponsoring myself type stuff. We moved on to some highlighter. I used the Ofra highlighter after I sprayed some of the Wonder Beauty setting spray. And now we're just doing some fine details, brushing through my Benefit like brow gel, and added some waterproof mascara to the bottom lashes. Then we added some highlighter to the inner and outer corners. And then for the lips, we're doing some Buxom. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these swatches from the brand spanking new Huda Nude palette. I am truly impressed with this palette and I really, really, really like it. I think that it's just stunning. I think my only thing is I wish there was maybe like a very light champagne, kind of like my highlight that was in it, and maybe a black, but I think I always want those shades in every palette so I don't have to use a different palette. So I'm not complaining. I love the way that it looks. It looks beautiful and it blends beautifully, as do all of Huda's shadows. So let me know if you guys are gonna pick up this palette. If you didn't already, if you have, let me know what you think about it. If you're gonna pick it up, let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me and watching. I hope to see you again soon. And if one more person interrupts me while I film today, I might scream. No? Anybody? Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the middle of my face as always, and check out all of the rest of my videos here. Love you guys. I'll see you soon.